Right, welcome back. In this episode, we've got to concentrate on this AMG 45 CLA, and we've got to dive deeper into depth of how we clean a vehicle. So without further ado, let's crack on.
Right, so first up we've got to start up with hoovering the carpets out. I like to give the carpets a good brush down just to remove any loose and stubborn debris, and then I like to hit it again with the hoover. Remove all the mats, make sure you get into all the corners using your brush tool, your crevice tool and your various other brushes. As you can see, the Mercedes carpets aren't very forgiving in comparison with BMW and Audi carpets per se. Right, moving on to the centre console, I like to remove the rubber inserts just because if any spillages are made within the centre console, they do leak down underneath the rubber inserts. You end up with like a sticky mess underneath there, so all-purpose cleaner straight in, get the detail brush in there and a fresh microfiber cloth just to get everything back up. When it comes to the kick sills and the plastics down by the feet, I tend to use a scrubber dubber. And the thing I like about the scrubber dubbers is the little fine fibres are able to get deep into the textures of the plastic and lift the dirt from the plastic. Right, moving on to the leather. This is just Auto Smart leather cleaner is this. I use this in conjunction with Gion leather cleaner. I have a lot of people ask me which leather cleaner I use and which is the best. To be honest, I find them all very similar. Gion do offer a leather cleaner that is sold as a strong leather cleaner. But with this leather cleaner what I'm using here, I'm able to make it stronger or weaker depending on the given task at hand. So I do like using this one generally. Now these metal inserts on these seats, I'm just going over with an interior detailer just to get rid of the overspray and any smudge marks left by the leather cleaner. The good old glass technique. How I like to clean my glass is I'll take a fresh cleaning cloth, glass cloth, and I'll get off the majority of the dirt and then I'll buff the glass up with another fresh suede glass cloth. The sun will reveal anything you have missed. And that is the interior complete. So moving on to the exterior, here I'm using a carbon collective foamer. I originally purchased this to apply citrus pre-wash, but I had a quick go with a wheel cleaner and I stuck with it since. 12 months on, it's still going strong. The Meg's Ultimate brush here, it has its place within the setup. It's not ideal for every single wheel and it isn't as agile as the Easy Detail brush, but black wheels with wide openings into the barrels, it is a great bit of kit. I find that They should have made the pole what holds the fabric a lot thinner than you could get in behind the caliper, etc.
Ready or not, ready or not. You can't hide, you can't hide. Fun. Take and take. Ready or not, ready or not. You can't hide, you can't hide. Fun, and make you want me.
Hey, I say you might do when it's finished. So that's the vehicle pre-washed, safe washed and decontaminated fully. We just give it a final wipe down with some panel prep, get the glass done, get the tyres dressed, and I will apply the final coating, which I have saved for another video. But we'll get these bits done and we'll have a look at the car and the end results.
Ready or not, here I go. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, ready or not.